Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another episode of Manchester Walay. आज मेरे पास है जिमी एंडरसन, विराट कोहली एंड बीम अफरीदी. आज मैंने लोगों से पूछना है कि वो वैलेंटाइन डे है. I don't even celebrate Valentine Day, but I'm gonna ask people कि आप किसके साथ डिनर डेट करना चाहोगे. So let's find out. Hi guys, what's your name?
Teresa.
Savita.
Tamika.
Jamaica.
Judith.
I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong, yeah? Do you guys watch cricket? Hi guys, what's your name?
Ana.
Anna.
Berta.
Berta.
Arantxa.
Avanta.
Javier.
Javier.
Loli.
Loli.
Mireia.
It's so hard names to remember, but anyway, I'm gonna ask you quick questions. Do you guys watch cricket?
No.
They're Spanish, by the way. So you don't watch cricket, yeah? What's your name?
Yeah, Steven.
Steven.
Yeah.
Steven, where are you from?
India.
India. Steven from India.
Patricia.
Patricia, where are you from, Patricia?
Poland.
Poland. And do you watch cricket?
I do not.
You don't watch cricket. Still, I'm gonna ask you a question because it's Valentine Day, so yeah. Jade, and where are you from, Jade?
Stockport.
Stockport, England.
Yeah.
Guys, we just met a couple of Europeans and stuff. Okay, do you watch cricket? Okay. On this Valentine Day, it's a simple question I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna show you three pictures, and I'm gonna ask you a simple question. Who do you think is a good-looking guy?
Okay.
Understand? I believe you are over 18, so it's good to ask a simple, easy question. Yeah. Right. Three pictures. Which one is good-looking guy? I mean you, and then go to her. This guy.
Yeah.
And what about this and this? No. Okay, that's fine. And you can give it to her. So James Anderson was her choice. That was your choice, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. What do you think? Who is good-looking guy?
This one too.
James. Okay, they are racist. Okay.
Yeah, the same.
The same. But you didn't see the other pictures? No? Okay.
No, these
No,
ones.
just the James, yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Like
Oh, you're a boy. You don't have to answer it. Oh, this guy, yeah?
These two.
James, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dates waiting for you. It's Valentine Day. 3 pictures.
Right.
I know you don't know any one of them, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I don't have no questions, but you have to answer me. Who do you think is more good-looking guy?
The best looking guy of all these, I think it would be this one.
James Anderson. She's from Poland. And do you think? I mean, what would be your second choice that you want to go for a dinner or something?
Second choice would be this one.
Kohli. Bless you, boom boom. Thank you. Thanks for your time, Patricia.
Thank you.
You don't know anything about cricket.
No.
I've got 3 pictures, and imagine that 3 guys here,
Okay.
and one of them, you have to choose one of them,
Right.
just for a dinner, like Valentine dinner date, whatever.
Okay.
Yeah. Check out all these 3 guys, and then tell me that's James Anderson, that's Kohli, and the other guy, Boom Boom. So, who do you think you fancy?
What, I'd wanna go on a
like
date
you on a
with?
date, yeah.
Probably him.
Probably him.
Yeah, because it's like he's got hazily greeny eyes.
That's right. And what would be your second option if he's busy? Imagine.
Either of those two.
Just one, please.
I mean, either. Like, they both got dark hair. They both got
yeah, well,
facial
you
hair.
gotta pick one. So I'm sorry, 2 is not available.
I'll go with him.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, Jed. Thanks.
I'll stick with
thanks,
him.
Thanks for your time. Thank you.
Is that everything?
You have a lovely. Even if I pronounce it wrong, yeah. Do you guys watch cricket? No. No.
Not really, no.
Okay, so okay, you don't watch cricket. That's fine. I've got 2 handsome boy. Just a quick questions. It's a Valentine Day. Who would like to go on a friendly dinner date tonight? If someone wants to, I mean, if you had a choice to pick one of them, who would it be? Oh, you hold a picture. Okay, you give me the first answer then. Not you yet, yeah? Need to wait. Right, okay, so she picked Boom Boom Afridi. Now we're gonna ask the same question to that girl. The next one. Right, who do you think is...
This one.
Wow, there you go. Thank you. And what would be your choice?
That one.
This one too. Right, so I'm afraid Kohli don't have no chance. Of course you watch cricket, yeah? Thanks God someone knows about cricket. Do you know any one of them?
Virat, Kohli.
Virat Kohli. And this guy?
No, I don't know this guy.
You don't know that guy. And do you know this guy?
No, Pakistani players.
Yeah?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay? You don't know. Right, okay, so that's you just got me confused. Okay, the next question, who do you think is a good cricketer?
I think Virat is.
You think Virat is good?
Yeah.
Because he knows only Virat, so he believes that Virat is a good cricketer. And I believe Virat Kohli is a good cricketer too. Thanks for your time, Stephen.
Yeah, thank you.
You have a great day. Thank you. Bye.